Yeah, can we start now? I hope audio video is okay. Check properly. Can we go ahead? Can we go ahead? Check once. Can we go ahead? Can we go ahead? Check once. Audio video okay? Please verify audio video okay or not. Let me know audio video okay or not. Yeah, let's start now. Let's start now. I think everything is ready. Let's start now. Everything is ready. Let's start now. In the yesterday's class, this is the place where we stopped. One IP address is given, so we need 500 subnets. So how will you proceed? Then how will you proceed? How will you proceed? And not only that, they are given some queries also, some questions also they are given. We are going to solve one by one. So for the given information, we have to find out three things. One IP address given, we need 500 subnets. How you proceed further to solve the following problems? Now let me ask you one small line. Given IP belongs to which class? See this one, given IP belongs to which class? Given IP belongs to A class. Given IP belongs to A class. A class means how is the division? Can you see this one? A class division. I think 8 for network, 24 bits per host. But what is the meaning of subnetting? Subnetting means host part you have to divide. When you say subnetting, host part you have to divide. So how many subnets you want? 500 subnets. You want 500 subnets. 500 means, so subnets. Subnets you want 500 subnets. 500 closest number is going to be 2 power 9 512. Because if you take 2 power 8 to 256 only, 2 power 9 is 512. Yeah, you will lose a little bit, but that is the only thing what we can do. So can you help you now? 500 subnets required, so 2 power 9. So 9 bits. Subnet purpose 9 bits. 2 power 9 subnets possible. Can you say what about host? What about the modified host? Then what is the answer? 24 minus 9. Previously host purpose 24 bits, now 24 minus 9, which will goes to how much? I think it's going to be 50. 15 plus 9, 15 plus 9, 24. I think 15. So with the 15, right, 2 power 15 minus 2, hosts possible. Right? So previously 24 bits for host, now only 15 bits. For the 15, if you add 9, 19 plus 5, which is going to be 24. I hope everyone is okay now. I hope everyone is clear. I hope everyone is clear. So by seeing the problem, I can say A class. A class means 8 bits for the networks, 24 bits for the host. 8 means, right, I think 8 bits for network, 24 bits for host. But subnetting means host part you have to borrow. So subnet purpose 500 subnets, I think 9 bits required, 2 power 9, 512 subnets possible. Host purpose 24 minus 9, 15 bits, 2 power 15 minus 2 host possible. So let's see our problem, right? I think 3 questions are given. We will check one by one. Find third subnet last host. Find third subnet last host. Remember third subnet. First one is, I think, 0th one. If you see, that is the first one. Right? First one, if you see, that is the second one. Right? Members wise 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Physically, if you see, first subnet, second subnet, third subnet, and so on. But right, in the examination, they will take care. Don't worry. So just when they say first subnet, 0th one. That is the meaning. When they say first subnet, 0th one. Right? So now concentrate. Let's go further. Let's go further one by one. One by one. What about network part? Can you see this one? Network 8 bits. Network 8 bits. There is no problem. Host part only. I think this is the previously host. Now I think something is going to be subnet. We will see now. So 95 plus. Can you see this one? 95 dot. Remember 9 bits. Next 9 bits are for the subnet purpose. Next 9 bits for subnet purpose. Understand here. Next 9 bits for subnets. 2 power 9 subnets possible. Can you see this one? Yeah, these are for subnet purpose. These 9 bits for subnet purpose. Subnet 0 is asking find third subnet, last host. I think a third subnet. I think 0th subnet it is. Next one. Let me write the next one. It is a right 0th subnet is the first subnet. It is the second subnet. Now see the third subnet. Third subnet. This is the third. Right? This is the 0th one. This is the right 0th one, which is nothing but first one. It is the first one. It is the second one. It is the third one. Third subnet. It is the third subnet. Third subnet, I think which host required? Remember, remaining is host purpose. Remaining for host purpose. Remaining bits for host purpose. How many bits for host purpose? How many bits for host purpose? 15 bits. 8 plus 5, right? 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 zeros to 15 ones. Let me write 15 zeros. Let me write host to some other color. Let me write host in some other color. 15 zeros to 15 ones. See this one? Right? So first subnet, second subnet, third subnet. Third subnet, third subnet. What is asking? What is asking? Third subnet, last host. I think 15 zeros to 15 ones. 15 zeros to 15 ones. Let me write. 15 zeros to 15 ones. This is the third subnet story. This is the third subnet story. This is okay. Here is a subnet. Right? Third subnet. See, subnet number 0, right? But right, physically it is the first subnet. It is the second subnet. It is the third subnet. Third subnet. Remember, subnet purpose 9 bits. 9 bits for subnet. 15 bits for host. 15 bits for host. So I think what is the answer? 15 zeros to 15 ones. Right? Read properly. 15 ones. So if you write properly, this one, this is the answer. This is the answer. Let me write now 95 as usual. There's nothing. Network part, no change. Can you see this one? I am writing this. I am writing this one. Can you see? 95 dot. Right? I think this number, if you observe, I think 1 dot This number, if you observe, I think the 255, 128 remove, 128, 128, 256. Right? We want 255. So what is the answer? I think it is going to be 128 remove. Is it 127? 255 minus 128. 15, 8 if you remove 7. Right? I think it's going to be 4, I think 2, 127. Yeah, perfect. 127, it's going to be 255. So this is. So can you see the first question? Find third subnet last host is saying. Last host. It is the DBA. If you want last host 95.1.127.254. 254. So this is. It is the last host. It is the DBA. It is the third subnet. Let me know if anyone having any objection. Sir, I have this objection. Please let me know. Careful everyone. So he is saying that 500 subnets, 24 bits per host, 500 subnets. I think subnet 500. 500 means 9 bits. 9 bits for the subnets. So from the 24 remove 9, 15. From the 24 remove 9 to 15. 15 bits per host. Now start. So 95 is the network part. Next 9 bits for the subnet. Next 15 bits for host. 15 zeros to 15 ones. This is the DBA. This is the last host. This is the third subnet. Please careful. Anyone having any objection, let me know. Maybe I am also wrong. Somewhere maybe calculation I done wrong. Let me know if I done anything wrong. If you find that anywhere I done wrong, let me know. The question here is given IP, right? Given IP, one IP is given. We need 500 subnets. How you proceed? So find out. It is a class. A class means 8 plus 24. 8 is network. 24 is host. But subnetting means host part I have to divide. Yes, I divided. Host part I have to divide. So I divided. So please careful, 8 bits per, right? Let me write this. Eight bits for subnet. So 8 bits for network. Subnet purpose 9 bits. 15 bits for host. That's it. I think everything clearly I written. So subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3. Physically, first subnet, second subnet, third subnet. Let me know anyone having any objection. So Reddy sir, I am not getting. If you are not getting, let me know. It is the yesterday's homework. Hi Siddharth. Hi. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Someone is saying that Shiva is saying that 127.255. That is the DBA. 127.255 is the DBA, but he's asking last host 254. Shiva, last host 254. Let's go to next one. Question number 1, that is answer. Question number 1 answer is this. Question number 1 answer is this. Question number 2, let's go. I think find first subnet DBA. Let's go there. First subnet DBA. See everyone, first subnet 95. Everyone try to understand 95. First subnet, right? They are asking first subnet. Subnet purpose 9 bits, na? Let's take. The first subnet means this only. This is the first subnet. Subnet 1. Physically it is the first subnet. Subnet 0. So actually subnet 0 is nothing but 0 is not there. Simply subnet 1. Yeah, first subnet is asking first subnet, first host, right? Sorry, first subnet DBA. See everyone now. First subnet DBA. DBA means what? I think 15 people are there. 15 ones. So if you observe clearly, this is 95.0.250. Sorry, 127.255. It is the DBA. It is the question number 2. So I think 15 ones. It is 9 zeros. Right? So it is the network. Let me know any objection here. So I think 1 is completed. 1 is completed. Let me know if any objection. 9 zeros. I think question number 2 also completed. Let's go to question number 3. 7th subnet first host. 7th subnet first host. Let's see. 7th subnet. Remember physically 7th subnet. Physically 7th subnet. 7th subnet means 6th number. 7th subnet means 6th number. Careful everyone. 95.0.0.0. Remember 6th one. 6th one means 110, na? 110. 6th one means 110. 110. This is 6th one. 110 is asking first host. I think if you observe here, so 15 zeros to 15 ones is asking I think first host. Can you see this one? 7th subnet first host. 7th subnet first host. 7th subnet first host. .95 dot. This is going to be I think 3. This is going to be I think 0. Right? 0. Am I right? So if you write properly, 95.3.0.1. So it's the third question answer. This is the third question answer. So if you see this one, this entire thing is 3. If you see this one, this entire thing is 0. If you see this one, this entire thing is 1. This 95 is common. Check properly if anyone having any doubt. Check properly. Small doubt also there. Check properly. Can I move to next problem? Check everyone. Little doubt also there. Let me know. Sir, this is the doubt. If you have small doubt also there, you can ask me. I will help you. Little doubt also there. Let me know. I will help you. Small doubt also there. Yeah, fine. Until now, everyone is comfortable. There is one more nice story going to be happen. One or two doubts are there. They will be clarified in the further. Right? Now see. From now onwards, concentrate. One nice topic is going to be happen. That is, right? That is everyone listen. Subnet mask. It's a very important one. Subnet mask. Concentrate everyone. Subnet mask. What exactly it will do? What is the purpose? We will see now. Subnet mask. Right? Everyone concentrate. Subnet mask. So I think, I think yesterday or day before yesterday, I said one small story to you. Listen, I said some small story. Net mask, network mask or net mask. Yeah, few days back, maybe yesterday or day before yesterday, I said network mask. What is the meaning of network mask? If you observe clearly, network mask is nothing but network part all ones, network part all ones plus host part all zeros. This is the meaning of net mask. So similarly, I given some examples also. A class net mask, A class net mask. I already given. Network part all ones 255. Host part all zeros. This is the A class net mask. In the similar way, some people may ask that what about B class? Let's check. B class net mask. B class net mask. Can you see one time? B class net mask. Can you see one time? B class means 1616. 255.255.0.0. So B class also completed. Can you see the C class? Can you see the C class? C class, if you observe, I think it is a C class net mask. Let me write. C class net mask, if you observe, C class is, I think, 24.8. 255, 255, 255.0. So be comfortable with the net mask. What is the net mask? Network part all ones, host part all zeros. Host part all zeros. That is the meaning of net mask. So A class net mask given. A class, if you observe, 8 plus 24. So B class, if you observe, 16 plus 16. C class, if you observe, I think what is the answer? 24 plus 8. So like that. Now some people are asking, what is subnet mask? Nothing. See this one. Subnet mask is nothing but, let me write now. Subnet mask is equal to. Careful everyone. Subnet mask is equal to network part all ones plus subnet part all ones plus host part all zeros. It is like net mask only, but there is a subnet mask also. There is a subnet also. Because of it is a subnet mask, there is a subnet also. In the net Yeah, I hope everything is fine now. Some network issue. Is everything okay? Yeah, let's move now. Everything is perfect. So what is subnet mask? Subnet mask is nothing but network part all one, so right? Subnet part all one, so host part all zeros. Right? This is the meaning of network, right? This is the meaning of net, right? Subnet mask. Try to understand this. When you do some problems, you will get the clarity. When you do some problem, you will get the clarity, right? What is subnet mask? Network part all ones, subnet part all ones, host part all zeros. Host part all zeros. We will do few problems, you will get the clarity. We will do few problems, you will get the clarity. Let's take the first problem. We will do few problems, you will get the clarity. Let's take the few problems. In class C network, subnet mask given as. So just take the problem, you will get the clarity. In class C network or C class or class C, whatever it is, in class C network, subnet mask given as. Subnet mask given as 255, 255, 255, 224. In a class C network, subnet mask is given as 255, 255, 255.224. Okay, that is okay. Now the question is going to be question number one. Question number one, right? Number of subnets, how many? Number of subnets, how many? We have to calculate. Question number two. Question number two. Number of hosts, how many? In each subnet. In class C network, subnet mask given as 255, 255, 255, 224. Number of subnets, how many? Number of hosts, how many in each subnet? We have to calculate. Let's see how to calculate. Let's see how to calculate. Everyone concentrate. Let's see how to calculate. In class C network, subnet mask given as 255, 255, 255, 224. Number of subnets, so many. Number of hosts, so many in each subnet. So concentrate, everyone. This one, if you can catch, most of the things you can handle. Try to catch this one. Try to catch this one. Right? Now see, everyone listen. Class C. Careful here. Class C. When you say class C, everyone know 24 plus 8. 24 network, right? Host is 8. Right? 24 is a network, right? Host is 8. Host is 8. Now see what happened. Now see what happened. Everyone observe. The given mask, if you observe, this is the mask. Let's see. Subnet mask. Subnet mask is given. If you see the subnet mask, 255, 255, 255, 224. It is the subnet mask given. 255 means all ones. 255 means all ones. 255 means all ones. 224 means 128 plus 64. Let's see, 128. Last bit, right? Last bit is 1. Or maybe from right hand side, first bit 1, 128. Second bit is 164. So which is going to be 8 plus 4, 12. But I want 224. Now one more 30 to add. It became 4. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Okay. So I think 6 plus 4, 10, 12. Okay. So 224. So I think it is going to be 111, 0, 4 zeros. You know very well it is a subnet mask. Careful everyone. Careful everyone. It is a subnet mask. Remember in the subnet mask, the network part is how many? 24 bits. Network part is ones. It is the network part. And one more. Everyone listen. One more thing. So subnet part also once. This also once. Remember, this is subnet part. Remember, this is subnet part. It is for subnet. In the case of the subnet mask, if you observe clearly, network part is all one, so subnet part also once. But remember, it is a class C. Class C is 24 bits only for network. 8 bits for host. Actually, this is for host because of subnetting, right? So because of subnetting, few bits are given to subnet. Remember, Remember everyone, network part all 1, so network is 24, okay, right? But here in this place once means subnet part. After network, subnet only will come. So these bits for subnet. These bits for subnet. Try to understand. It is a mask. It is not a IP, right? It is not a one of the host IP. It is a mask. It is the mask. Try to understand. By seeing the mask, I can say. Okay, subnet purpose 3 bits. Right? By seeing this one, I can say subnet purpose. Subnet purpose 3 bits. Subnet purpose 3 bits means immediate question is going to be subnet purpose 3 bits means immediate question is going to be how many subnets possible? 2 power 3 subnets possible. 2 power 3 subnets possible means 8 subnets possible. Some people are asking remaining is 5 bits. Na? What about these? These are for host purpose. How many hosts possible? 2 power 5 minus 2, 32 minus 2, 30 hosts possible. 30 hosts possible. So finally see the question here. Number of subnets how many? Question number 1 answer is 8 subnets possible. Question number 2 if you observe. Number of hosts in each subnet. I think host purpose 5 bits. 2 power 5 is 32 minus 2, 30 hosts. 30 hosts to each subnet. 30 hosts to each subnet. Let me know anyone having any doubt. Little doubt also there, let me know. In class C network, subnet mask is given as 255.254. Number of subnets how many? Number of hosts how many in each subnet? This is an excellent question. Anyone having any doubt, you can raise. You can raise your issues. Reddy sir, I am not okay with this. I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help. In class C network, subnet mask is given as 255.254. Number of subnets how many? Number of hosts in each subnet how many? There may be some doubts. You can ask me, I will help you. Careful everyone. Anyone having any objection? Please let me know. Small doubt also there, let me know. Anyone having any doubt, please let me know. Yeah, to get the more clarity, let's go to one more problem. You do. You will get the more clarity. Read up. In a class B, next problem. In a class B network, subnet mask given as 255.254.0. In a class B network, subnet mask given as 255.254.0. Is it so? 255.254.0. Yes. Then is asking question number 1. Number of subnets how many? Similar question. Number of subnets how many? Question number 2. Number of hosts per subnet how many? We have to calculate these two. In a class B network, subnet mask is given as 255.254.0. Number of subnets, right? How many? Number of hosts per subnet how many? Let's concentrate. Let's do one thing. Class B. Everyone listen. Class B. See this one? Class B. I think 16 plus 16. Class B is 16. Network part purpose 16. Host purpose 16. Okay, bye. Right, that's okay. But what is the subnet mask given? Can you see this one? Subnet mask given as 255.254.0. which is nothing but, let me write now, which is nothing but 8 ones, which is nothing but 8 ones here. Yeah, which is nothing but, I think 7 ones, because the 254, right? This is going to be 8 zeros. 255, 255, 254, 0. I think everything is perfect. Now listen everyone. If you observe clearly in this, network part purpose 16, 16 ones, network part. It is the network. So remaining is host purpose, okay. But you know, what is the meaning of subnet mask? Network part also once, so host, right? Next one, subnet part also once. It is the subnet. So, right, zeros are going to be host. I think problem is over. So subnet purpose 7 bits. Host purpose 9 bits. So from this I can conclude, 7 bits for network purpose, sorry, subnet purpose, 9 bits for host purpose. Question number one, what is the answer? 2 power 7 subnets possible, which is going to be 128. Question number 2, right? Number of host per subnet, how many? 9 bits, na? 2 power 9 minus 2 hosts possible, which is going to be 512 minus 2, 510. 510 hosts per subnet. Yeah, check once. It is a nice question. I think previously this problem is so difficult, now so easy. Right? Now so easy. Previously it is so difficult, now so easy. So every time remember, first problem is difficult. Every time, first problem difficult. Every time, first problem difficult. Every time. Every time, first problem is difficult. So from here onwards, concentrate. What is subnet mask? Network part all ones, subnet part all ones, host part all zeros. First of all, what is the net mask? Forget about the subnet mask. What is the meaning of net mask? Right? Network part all ones, host part all zeros. A class net mask what? A class network is I think 8. 8 I think 255.000. What about B class net mask? 16 plus 16. So 255.255.0.0. C class net mask 255, 255, 255.0. Now, next question is going to be, what is subnet mask? Network part all ones, subnet part all ones, host part all zeros. Now see the problem. In class C network, subnet mask given like this. Class C, 24 plus 8. 24 is network. So you write the mask properly. 24 ones, which is the network. Still ones are there. That is the subnet area. Zeros are going to be, I think, host area. So I think subnet part purpose 3 bits. 3 bits means 2 power 3 subnets possible, 8 subnets. Right? Host purpose 5 bits, 2 power 5 minus 2, 32 minus 2, 30 host per subnet. Similar way, next one. In class B network subnet mask B. Class B means what? 16 plus 16. 16 for network, 16 for host. But if you see the mask properly, right, I think all ones, if you see the number of ones, first ones are going to be network part, which is 16. Next ones are going to be subnet, which is going to be 7. Remaining is going to be host. So number of subnets possible is 2 power 7, 128. Number of host possible is 2 power 9 minus 2, 512 minus 2, which is going to be 510. I think in my opinion, everyone is comfortable. Let me know anyone having any issues. Do you have any issues? Shiva, do you have any issue? Siddharth, do you have any issue? Let me know anyone having any issue. Sir, I have this issue. You please let me know, I will help you. Sir, I have this issue. Please let me know, I will help you. Everyone, right? Let me know your opinion. Sir, I have this issue. You say to me, I will help. Can we move to next? Bro, can we go to next? Arey bolo yaar, I am not asking your property. I am saying, can we go to next? I am not asking your property, yaar. Can we go to next? Arey Shiva, can we go to next? Check one time. Can we go to next? Yeah. Then see the next problem. Then see the next problem. Write down. Write down, everyone. Write down. Yeah. Given IP address. Given IP address. Yeah. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait here. Yeah. Next problem. Next problem. Make sure everyone listen. Make sure everyone listen. Make sure everyone listen. IP address is given as 201 55 66 89. Subnet mask is given as 255 224. Yeah. Now the questions are going to be given IP belongs to question number 1. Given IP belong to which subnet ID? That is the question number 1. Question number 2. Number of subnets how many? Question number 3. Number of hosts how many? Question number 4. Question number 4. Given IP address present in which subnet number? Given IP belong to which subnet? These are the 4 questions. Given IP belong to which subnet ID? Subnet ID. Next one. Number of subnets how many? Number of hosts per subnet how many? Given IP belongs to which subnet? Given IP belongs to which subnet? First subnet or second subnet or third subnet or fourth subnet? We have to say. This is going to be very interesting problem. This is going to be very interesting problem. This is going to be very interesting problem. Can you see everyone? Can everyone see this one? One IP is given, one subnet mask also given, right? Now we have to find out 4 questions answer. These 4 questions answer we have to find out. These 4 questions answer we have to find out. One IP is given, one subnet mask also given. Is asking given IP belongs to which subnet ID? Right? Number of subnets how many? Number of hosts per subnet how many? Given IP belongs to which subnet? Right? Everything is fine. So we can start now. We can start. Everyone from this problem you can learn one important thing. From this problem you can learn one important thing. Everyone concentrate. Everyone concentrate. From this problem you can learn one important thing. Everyone concentrate here. IP address. See the answer. IP address. 201. See the answer. 201 55 66 89. So I am writing little more here. Concentrate everyone. Given IP, if you observe clearly, 201 55 66 89. Subnet mask, if you observe, 255 255 255 224. Right? 201, 55, 66, 89. Subnet mask is 255, 255, 255, 224. That is okay. Let's go one more thing. Right? Listen, let's go one more thing. 201. Everyone listen. 201, 55, 66. Right? This is going to be 255, 255. Careful. 255. Now, can you see the last part? Last part, right? Other things are not required. That is the reason I didn't return in the binary format. Right? That is the reason I didn't return binary format. Actually, I have to write everyone in the binary format. Because of not required, I didn't return. Right? So now you will get to know what is the reason. So only last part I am writing in the binary part. So 89, if you write in the binary number, 89, nearest powers of 2 is 64. 2 power 6, 64. So I think actually 89, but I got 64. Remaining is going to be, I think, 25 left out. 25 closest powers of 2, 16. 2 power 4, 16. From the 25, if you remove 16, I think 9. 9, I think I can write directly 1001, which is 9. If you know any number, you write directly. So 6th bit 1, 4th bit is 1. So remaining 4 bits are 1001. Let me check now. So 7th bit 0, 6th bit 1, 5th bit is 0, 4th bit is 1. So next one 1001. Why I am converting, you will get to know. Next one 224 also I am converting. 224, 111, 0. So these are. So whatever is required, those only I written in the binary format. Actually, to be frank, you have to write everyone in the binary format. To be frank, all the people you have to write into binary format. But I am feeling that last part is enough. That the reason last part only I written. Right now you will get the clarity. What is the reason? Why I written, you will get to know. Please help me. Given IP belongs to which class? Please concentrate properly. Given IP belongs to which class? I can easily say given IP belongs to C class. Given IP belongs to class C. Given IP belongs to class C. Class C means 24 plus 8. So 24 bits per. Listen, class C 24 bits per network part. Right? So class C 24 bits per network part. So remember, network part, right? In the case of the subnet mask, network part all ones. Network part all ones. Right? Network part all ones. But right, everyone know this is the host part. But because of it is a subnet mask, I can easily say in the subnet mask, after network part is over, wherever ones are there, that is subnet. That is also okay. This is the host part. That is also fine. So if anyone asks you, how many bits for subnet? 3 bits. 3 bits for subnet. 3 bits for subnet. Right? 3 bits for. Now answer everyone. 3 bits for subnet, okay. Can you say bit positions? I want answer. 3 bits for subnet, I am okay. Can you say the positions? Everyone, whoever watching, right? Everyone, whoever watching, please let me know. Subnet purpose 3 bits, okay. Can you say the positions? And one more thing I want to ask you, subnet purpose 3 bits, okay. But one more question I want to ask, what are the position in which octet? Subnet purpose 3 bits, I am very happy. In which octet, which position? Please help me. I am expecting answer from everyone. Because of it is belongs to class C, 24 plus 8. 24 bits per network, 8 for host. But if you see the subnet mask, in the host area, 8 bits, some ones are there. They are belongs to subnet. So can you help me now? Subnet purpose 3 bits, okay, but in which octet they are? What are the positions? I want the positions also. Which octet they are? What are the positions? I think it is the sixth, seventh one, sixth one, fifth one. Am I right? Thank you, Varun. Thank you so much. Thank you, Varun. Thank you. Yeah. So thank you so much. So please give answer to me. Please give answer to me. Network purpose 24 bits. Okay. It is a network purpose. I am very happy. It is a network purpose. I am very happy. So I think remaining is, because of it is a subnet mask, remaining is going to be subnet and host. Subnet part also once. So this is the subnet, this is the host. But my question here is, how many bits for subnet? 3. In which octet? 4th octet. What are the positions? Can you see the position? Corresponding position. Corresponding position. Wherever in the subnet area, ones are there. Corresponding these positions. Remember everyone. Your IP belongs to, listen, your IP belongs to subnet number. Listen, subnet number 2. Subnet number 2. So subnet number 0, subnet number 1, subnet number 2. So your IP belongs to, right, third subnet. Third subnet. So please careful. Number 2 means third subnet. Try to understand. Your IP, see, this is the IP. Given IP belongs to subnet number 2, but physically it is the third subnet. Physically it is the third subnet. Some people are asking me, right? Some people are asking. So third subnet, okay. What about this one? I think everyone. It is the host part. This is the host number. In the third subnet, host number, if you observe, can you see the one? What is the equivalent binary number? Can you say what is the equivalent binary number? 11001. 11001. 11001. What is the answer? I think it is going to be, 5 bits are there. 5 bits are there. Maximum is going to be 31. Right? So what is this value? Can you check once? Right? I think 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 1, 25. It is the 25. So I think host number 25. Host number, just observe clearly. Network area all ones. That's okay. Right? If you see the host area, subnet mask, observe. Observe the subnet mask. If you see the subnet mask, 24 bits for the network because of the class C. So in the subnet mask, if you observe, after 24 bits are over, still some ones are there. That is subnet. Subnet purpose 3 bits. That is also okay. In the IP address corresponding place, if you see, okay, subnet part 010 means subnet number 2, physically third subnet. So in the IP, after subnet number is over, next one you see, I think it is the host. So binary number, if you see, this is the binary number. Decimal number if you convert. Right? If you convert the decimal number, 11001, how much it is? 24 plus 25. Host 25. Because host will start from 1 only, you know very well. Because starting one is subnet ID. Host 1 onwards. Host 1 is 1 only. So I think 25 subnet, right? 25 host number. Now see one interesting story there. I don't want to, right? This is the very, very important one. If you have a IP, if you have a subnet number, concentrate here. If you have a IP, if you have a subnet mask, IP there, subnet mask there. If both are there, what you do is just to do end operation. If you have a subnet mask and if you have a IP both, just to do end operation. If you do end operation, bitwise end. Bitwise end operation. You just do bitwise end operation. So 255 means all ones end operation, anything will come. All ones end operation with anything only will come. All ones end operation, anything only will come. Everyone listen. All once end operation, anything only will come. All once end operation, anything only will come. Now observe here. Now observe here. All once, anything. See this one. All once, anything only will come. All once, anything only will come. But remember, these all zeros. Zeros end operation, anything. What is the meaning of end? Both are ones, then only once. Both are ones, then only once. So if you observe clearly, if you write properly, 201.55.66. If you observe clearly, 010, right? All the I think 5 zeros. If you observe clearly, it is 64. Remember, this is going to be, see this one. This is going to be, if you observe clearly, host part all zeros. Host part all zero. It is the subnet ID. It is the subnet ID. IP and mask, if you do end operation, you will get the subnet ID. What is the meaning of end operation? Bitwise end operation. I done the bitwise end operation. Try to catch properly. This is the standard procedure. You have IP and you have subnet mask. Do end operation. You will get the subnet ID. Why subnet ID? Right? Host part contains some ones are there. Right? If you see the mask contain all zeros. Some ones and all zeros. If you do end operation, you will get all zeros. So final thing, whatever you got is host part all zeros, which is nothing but a subnet ID. Now can you catch one by one point? So first problem I am asking. Given IP belongs to which subnet ID? This is the question number 1. Given IP belongs to which subnet ID? Subnet ID. You want a subnet ID. This is the subnet ID. Question number 2. Number of subnets, how many? Every one. Now that is a very easy. Subnet purpose 3 bits. So 2 power 3 subnets possible. Question number 3. Number of hosts per subnet, how many? Every one. No. Host purpose 5 bits. So 2 power 5 minus 2. 32 minus 2. 30 hosts per subnet. That is also okay. Can you go to fourth one? Can you go to fourth point? Right? Given IP belongs to which subnet? We are already discussed also. Given IP belongs to which subnet? Can you see only subnet area? Subnet number 2. Means 012. I think third subnet. 010. It's the 2, na? It's the 2. That means physically third subnet. Subnet number is 2 physically because it will start from 0. So third subnet. So these are the answers for our problem. I can say you people may be having small doubt. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Let me know. If you have doubt, you can ask me. Everyone can say. Small doubt also there, let me know. Because if you are doing first time, there may be some small doubt. Very simple. From this problem, learn only one thing. IP address and subnet mask. If you do end operation, you will get subnet ID. So I am writing here. This is the purpose of this problem, this note only. Can you take this note? Everyone can take this note. If you perform end operation, bitwise end. If you perform bitwise end operation, bitwise AND operation. If you perform bitwise AND operation between IP and subnet mask, then you will get subnet ID. This is very important one. This is the only purpose of this problem. Please, can you catch? Remaining things are like previous. Remaining things are like previous problem. Previous problem, remaining things are as it is. The only extra point is this only. The only extra point is this only. Can you catch this? Can you catch this? Can you catch this? If you perform bitwise AND operation between IP and subnet mask, then you will get the subnet ID. See this one. I done the AND operation. I got subnet ID. This is the subnet ID. 201.55.66. Right? I think it is a 64. This is the subnet ID. This is the subnet ID. Please concentrate. And one more. If anyone asks, let me use the another color. Let me use the another color. Can you see this? Can you see this one? Another color. Wherever is the subnet mask area is there, see that area if you go, that area if you concentrate properly. So this is going to be subnet number. Subnet number 2 means 012, third subnet. Question number 1 saying, question number 2 saying how many subnet? Subnet purpose 3 bits. So 8 subnets possible. Next one, question number 3, if you observe, how many hosts possible? Host purpose 5 bits. So definitely 32 hosts, 32 minus 2, 30 hosts possible. If you go to the question number 4, 010 is the, right, 010 is the subnet number. Subnet number is 010. Subnet number is 010 means 2, which is nothing but third subnet number. So please, can you concentrate all these things? Some people may ask that what is the host number, right? Your IP belongs to what is the host number? I think this is the host area. Calculate properly because it is IP. It is not mask. It is IP. IP number is 25. Host number 25. Subnet number is 2 means third subnet. Third subnet, host number 25. So if you want, you can write the fifth one also. Given IP belong to, given IP, host number, given IP host number 25, given IP host number 25. Little doubt also there. In the next problem you can clarify. Check one time. In the next problem you can clarify. Please see all these. Yeah, there is a big wind is, right? Wind is going on at my house. There is a big wind is going on at my house. Right? Big wind is going on. Right? So please, right, today's class happened from here. Subnet mask onwards, today's class happened. So some big wind is going on. Right? Fine. That's okay. Subnet mask is given. So from here onwards it is started. Take care. Right? Fine.